What's up, Pretty Boi Gang? It's your girl, Chelci Erin, and in this episode of Choose the Boost, we are featuring a review and try-on of the new 424 Pro Model White Adidas Originals, an elevated layered trainer made in collaboration with LA-based streetwear designer 424 on Fairfax. This beautiful shoe dropped a couple months ago on August 5th, 2020. And as an LA pretty boy in this fly UCLA sweatshirt, I am so freaking excited to share my impressions of these kicks with you. If you're a sneakerhead like me and can't get enough of shoe unboxing and reviews, be sure to tap that subscribe button now so that you get all alerts and notifications of our exclusive first looks and content. You can also follow us on Instagram at Chelci Erin. The 424 Adidas Pro Model Cloud White delivers an elevated take on the retro Pro Model silhouette. It's clean, it's striking, and it's made of very high quality materials. Boasting an exaggerated double-layered midsole, the 424 features a gorgeous scratched leather patina on the white rubber sidewall, which adds richness while also ensuring that your shoe carries the story of your journeys. As the leather patina gracefully wears down, the shoe becomes a literal artifact of where you've been, with the structure and the durability for a continuous outlook of where you're headed. The patina midsole gives way at the bottom to a herringbone rubber outsole, providing support and traction. Now at the top of the leather patina is an accented Adidas rubber shell toe, as seen in shoes like the Superstar, along with 3 black stripes, branding on the heel tab of 424 and branding of Adidas on the tongue. These shoes are also just mad comfy and fit true to size. For your reference, I wear a size 7 in women's Adidas, and I purchased a men's size 6. Now you can find the 424 currently listed on the Adidas site for $180, but I copped this pair on GOAT for $72. We'll make sure to put all of those links in the description below. Now y'all know I believe every shoe is a work of art, but these babies are an LA swagged out bombshell, like yours truly. Now that you know a little more about the construction and fit of the 424 Pro Model White, let's get to the 360 try-on so you can decide whether or not you would choose these shoes. So that brings us to the conclusion of our GOAT unboxing and review of the 424 Pro Model Cloud White Adidas Originals. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram at Chelci Erin. Shout out to the man behind the camera, co-producer and cinematographer Don B. Until next time, stay healthy, stay pretty, stay smart. Pretty Boi, peace out.